Okay, we're going to make some chicken. We got our cooked chicken that we cooked the other night and put into different bags for different meals. We're going to take one out. We're going to use it. And it's got 2 cups of chicken. Spray your pan. It's trying to storm here. We got a 3/4 cup of chicken broth, chicken breast, pineapples, our chicken broth. Now you can cut your pineapples up if you want to, but I'm not. Eight teaspoons of sugar. Leave out your pineapple juice. Put that up for some ham or something to flavor your ham with. We need some garlic. And I'm going to put a little bit of molasses in here. Okay. Going to put some molasses in here. Just sprinkling in, you don't need to have it where it's real thick. Make sure you only put 2 teaspoons in. And 8 teaspoons of sugar. Because it don't really need to be that sweet. All you're doing is flavoring the pineapples, that's it. Listen at that thunder out there. Well, I didn't want to use my fingers, but I'm going to have to. So I'm going to have to wash my hands again now. Okay. One teaspoon of minced garlic. Well, there went the electric. You'll need some bell peppers. One chopped up. That's all you need. Okay, let's add our 2 cups of chicken in here, chicken breast. Now you could add more, but that's all I'm going to be using. That's why I always keep something already cooked. That way it don't take me long to make a meal if I have to. And I freeze. I cook it all at once and then freeze it in different meal packets. And that's how I've been doing it here lately. Save money and time. Our chicken's still froze. You can take it out halfway through and stir it up. I'll be back when I do all that. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of rice. Now mine's been frozen, and I barely did just thaw it out enough to do this. And I put it on defrost in the microwave. That's how I did it. With a cup of water in it. In the bag. And I put it on defrost. For like 7 minutes, I think. Now, you don't have to cook it in here like this. You can add your rice at the end if you want to make it fresh. But that's why I froze rice like this. That way I can have an easy, fast way to make a meal if I had to. Yes. And I've got recipes on my website of how I made rice. If you want to try how to make it. This bag says green peppers. Let me wash my hands and I'll be back. Okay. Ooh. Okay, where everything is still frozen, we're going to cook this 30 to 35 minutes at 400. Check it and see if everything's hot and bubbly. If it is, it's going to be done because everything in there really is done except the peppers. And that's it. So, we'll be back. And show you the finished product or when we turn it over halfway through. We stirred it up and now we're going to put it back in there for another 15 minutes without the aluminum foil on it. Now, if you want to make this, here's how you do it. 3/4 cup of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 chicken breasts cut up small, and 1 1/2 cups of uncooked rice, 20-ounce can of pineapple, 1 red bell pepper chopped, and on top you're supposed to put green onions, but I don't got green onions, but I got green onion powder, so I'm going to put some of that on there at the end. That's all you're supposed to do with that. We're going to call this meal done, and I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Push the like, subscribe button if you ain't already, and thank you.